A billionaire businesswoman proudly owned a rare Ferrari that represented luxury, engineering excellence, and personal achievement. She invested millions maintaining the exotic sports car with the finest specialists available. Despite every effort, an unexpected mechanical failure left the powerful machine completely undrivable, leaving even experienced Ferrari engineers frustrated and unable to identify the mysterious problem. The Ferrari was transported to several prestigious service centers, where certified engineers carefully inspected every mechanical and electronic system. Advanced diagnostic equipment revealed no clear answers. Days became weeks, and every attempted repair ended in disappointment. The billionaire grew increasingly frustrated because nobody could explain why the magnificent supercar refused to perform properly anymore. News of the mysterious Ferrari spread throughout the automotive community. Experts traveled from different cities hoping to solve the unusual problem. Each mechanic confidently promised success before beginning inspections, yet every attempt ended exactly the same. The vehicle remained silent, refusing to start correctly despite thousands of dollars spent on unnecessary repairs. Not far away, a hard-working single father operated a small neighborhood repair garage. Every day, he balanced raising his children with repairing ordinary family vehicles. Although his workshop looked simple, local customers trusted his honesty, experience, and remarkable ability to solve difficult mechanical problems that other garages often failed to understand completely. One afternoon, a towing company accidentally stopped outside the small garage while asking for directions. Curious, the mechanic noticed the beautiful Ferrari sitting silently on the transport truck. He politely asked what had happened. After hearing about the repeated failures, he respectfully offered to examine the vehicle before it continued toward another expensive service center. The billionaire initially doubted the modest mechanic because his garage lacked luxurious equipment and expensive branding. She questioned how someone repairing family sedans could possibly succeed where certified Ferrari engineers had failed. Having exhausted every professional option, she reluctantly agreed, believing there was absolutely nothing left to lose by allowing him one careful inspection. Instead of rushing toward expensive electronic scanners, the mechanic calmly observed the Ferrari from every angle. He listened carefully while turning the engine by hand, checked wiring connections, examined fuel delivery, and inspected hidden components. Years of practical experience taught him that patience often revealed problems advanced technology sometimes overlooked completely during complicated diagnostics. After several quiet minutes, the mechanic smiled confidently. He discovered that a tiny electrical connector beneath a protective cover had loosened slightly because of constant vibration. The fault interrupted communication between important engine systems, creating confusing symptoms that misled sophisticated diagnostic computers into reporting completely unrelated mechanical issues during every previous inspection. Using only basic hand tools, the mechanic carefully secured the loose connector and inspected nearby wiring for hidden damage. The entire repair required only 7 minutes. He asked everyone to step back before turning the ignition key. Instantly, the Ferrari roared to life, with its powerful engine sounding smoother than anyone expected or remembered before. Silence filled the garage for a brief moment, before astonished applause erupted from everyone watching. The billionaire stood speechless while listening to the perfectly running Ferrari. She could hardly believe that one humble neighborhood mechanic solved a problem which highly trained engineers, advanced computers, and luxury service centers failed to identify after weeks of expensive investigations. The billionaire thanked the mechanic sincerely and immediately offered him a generous financial reward. Smiling politely, the single father accepted only a reasonable repair fee. He explained that honesty meant charging customers fairly regardless of their wealth. His greatest satisfaction came from solving difficult problems rather than earning enormous amounts of money from desperate clients. Curious about his remarkable ability, the billionaire asked how he learned such extraordinary skills. The mechanic explained that he spent decades repairing every type of vehicle imaginable while supporting his children alone. Real-world experience taught him to trust careful observation, logical thinking, and patience instead of relying entirely upon complicated electronic diagnostic equipment during repairs. Impressed by both his character and talent, the billionaire invited him to tour her private collection of rare automobiles. Inside an enormous climate-controlled garage stood exotic Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Bugattis, and vintage classics worth hundreds of millions. Every vehicle represented automotive history, yet many required specialized attention from someone possessing exceptional practical knowledge and genuine passion. Walking through the magnificent collection, the mechanic admired each automobile respectfully. Rather than discussing their enormous value, he appreciated their engineering, craftsmanship, and unique design. His sincere enthusiasm convinced the billionaire that he cared deeply about preserving automotive excellence instead of chasing fame, luxury, or personal recognition through wealthy clients and expensive projects. The billionaire surprised everyone by offering him the position of Chief Restoration and Maintenance Director for her exclusive automotive collection. The opportunity included outstanding salary, advanced equipment, flexible working hours, and educational support for his children. She believed someone with extraordinary integrity deserved an equally extraordinary opportunity to build an even brighter future together. Before accepting, the father explained one important condition. His children would always remain his highest priority, regardless of career opportunities or financial rewards. The billionaire respected his honesty immediately and promised complete flexibility. She admired anyone willing to place family above wealth, believing such values created trustworthy leaders capable of inspiring entire organizations daily. The mechanic accepted the offer and transformed maintenance standards throughout the billionaire's collection. Instead of replacing expensive components unnecessarily, he focused upon accurate diagnosis, preventive maintenance, and careful craftsmanship. His practical approach saved enormous expenses while ensuring every rare automobile performed exactly as engineers originally intended decades earlier during manufacturing and development. Automotive magazines soon reported the incredible story of the humble mechanic who repaired a Ferrari after famous engineers failed. Readers admired his intelligence, humility, and determination. Many realized genuine expertise comes from years of dedication, continuous learning, and honest work, rather than luxurious buildings, expensive tools, or impressive professional titles alone in life. The billionaire often shared his inspiring journey during business conferences and interviews. She admitted that true talent can appear anywhere, regardless of appearances or social status. The experience reminded her that respecting ordinary people often reveals extraordinary abilities hidden behind humble circumstances, simple workshops, and quiet lives devoted to family and meaningful work. The single father never forgot his modest beginnings or the values guiding every decision. Even after achieving remarkable success, he continued helping neighbors whenever possible. His children proudly watched their father prove that honesty, kindness, patience, and genuine skill always create opportunities greater than wealth alone could ever provide throughout an inspiring lifetime.